Another example is solving the equation with fractions. X and x plus 1 are two consecutive natural numbers when one-fifth of the smaller number is added to 1/4 of the larger one. The result is 7. Find the number. X over 5 plus x plus 1 over 4 equals 7. So again, this one we're multiplying by 20. 25 goes in that 4 times 4x, 4 goes in that 5 times 5x plus 5, and 27 is 140, x equals 15, so x plus 1 is equal to 16. Let's look at how to do algebraic division. So we're going to divide 2x cubed plus x squared minus a6 plus 3 by 2x minus 3. So we write our long expression in here, and we say 2x goes into 2x cubed x squared times. X squared by 2x is 2x cubed. X squared by minus 3 is minus 3x squared. And we're going to change the sign, add so we can cancel, and so that becomes positive. So it becomes 4x squared. Bring down our minus 8x. And we say 2x into 4x squared goes 2x times. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x by minus 3 is minus 6x. Okay, and then we have to change the sign to add these. So we get minus 8x plus 6x is minus 2x. 2x goes into, and we'll bring down our plus 3. 2x into minus 2x goes minus 1. Minus 1 by 2x is minus 2x. Minus 1 by minus 3 is plus 3. Change the sign and they will cancel. And your answer is x squared minus 2x minus 1. And if you multiply this by this, you will get that. Okay, divide 4x cubed minus 13x minus 6 by x minus 2. Now there's no x squared expression in the expression, so we'll rewrite it and we'll include minus 0x squared. We can't proceed unless we do that. So here's our expression. X goes into 4x cubed, 4x squared. 4x squared by x is 4x cubed. 4x squared by minus 2 is minus 8x squared. Now we want to cancel these, so we change the sign and add. So 0x squared plus 8x squared is 8x squared. Bring down our minus 13. X into 8x squared goes 8x times. 8x by x squared is 8x squared. And 8x by minus 2 is minus 16x. So we change the sign and add. Okay, so we get minus 13 plus 16 is plus 3x. Bring down our minus 6. X goes into x 3 times is 3x, and 3 is minus 6. Minus 6. Let's change the sign and add minus plus. They cancel, and there's your solution. 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. How to rearrange formulas. This is also known as making the subject of a formula. Okay, if BC minus D equals A, make C the subject of the formula. Well, let's isolate C. BC is equal to A plus D. C is equal to divide both sides by B, A plus D over B. If A equals B over C minus D, make B the subject of the formula. So A plus D is equal to B over C. Let's multiply, we want B to be the subject of the formula, so let's multiply both sides by C, so they'll cancel, and this becomes C plus AD, which is fine, equal to B, or CA plus CD is equal to B. It's the same thing. If y equals C minus X over B, make X subject of the formula. Okay, so BY equals C minus AX. So BY minus C equals minus AX. If I multiply both sides by minus 1, I get minus by plus c equals ax, because I want x to be positive. So that's better written as c minus by. It's the same thing, just switch that over there, equals ax. So x is equal to divide both sides by a. So ax over a, they'll cancel. X is equal to c minus by over a. Question 12, page 423, part 3. Make y the subject of the formula. This is what we have. 3x over 4 equals 5 times y plus z. So 3x is equal to 4 times all of that, which is 20. So 3x is 20y plus 20z. So 3x minus 20z is equal to 20y, divide all sides by 20, and you get y is equal to 3x minus 20z over 20. Okay, so now we're going to move on to evaluating and writing formulas. So formulas describe the ratio between two or more variables. So if the volume is given pi r squared by pi r squared h, find the volume when r equals 3 and h equals 8, plug in the values, and it's as straightforward as that. On the other hand, deriving a formula. The number of children at a party is 4 times the number of adults. 3 teens are helping with the party. If A represents the number of adults at the party, find a formula for n, the number of people at the party. Well, n is equal to A, the number of adults, plus 4 times that, which is the number of children, plus the 3 teens. So gather your terms. The number of people at the party is 5 times A, which is the number of adults, plus 3. The School Disco Committee, question 10, page 426, have discovered that on a disco night, the profit is given by 5 times the number of tickets sold T minus 900. Find the profit if 195 tickets are sold, plug 195 in for T, and that will give you the profit. How many tickets were sold if profit was 870? So P equals 5T minus 900, so P plus 900 equals 5T. The amount of tickets sold is P plus 900 divided by 5, so that's 870 plus 900 divided by 5, that's the number of tickets sold. The number of tickets to be sold to break even, so no profit, so P is 5T minus 900, but P is 0, so 5T is equal to 900, if I bring that over there, T is 900 over 5. Okay, one final example now, to do with the taxis and taxi fares. So, and here it is down here. A taxi charges a fare F of €4, added to €1.50 per kilometre K, added to €2 per person P. Write a formula relating the fare to kilometres and people. Well, the fare must be equal to €4 plus €1.5 per kilometre plus €2 per person. What would the fare be for 4 people going 18 kilometres? Plug it all in and you'll get it. If 3 passengers paid €28, what was K? Well, the fare was 28. K is in here somewhere. You just tease out K and you'll get it to be 12 kilometres.